Welcome back guys to another YouTube video. Hope you all are doing great. And what I'm going to show you today is really nice, really cool. And it's basically just how to make your inputs, these two inputs right here, how to make them have an autocomplete. We're getting this autocomplete. It's a library and you can find it from the Places API. So therefore, the API key you're going to use, you have to enable Places API and also make sure that your API key is right and functioning well. And I'm going to leave a card for the full video from start to beginning of this project right here. This is just a part of it, but yeah. So you know what? Let's get to the main video. So we'll create autocomplete. Objects for all inputs. Now we say var options is equal to, say, types, square bracket, single, and then we just put cities. And that's it for that. Now we say var input 1 is equal to document dot get element by ID. Now what element are we getting is the from, not form, from. Don't make that mistake. Now we say var auto complete 1 is equal to new Google dot maps dot places dot auto with a capital complete. And as its input, we'll put input 1 and options. And now we'll just copy this. It's quite identical, and we do it for inputs 2. So change this to input 2. Instead of from, we'll put 2. Autocomplete will be 2. Here will be inputs 2. And it's going to be the same options. And you can see it, you can just put New York. And here you can put New Orleans. And yep, you can see we get the distance from New York to New Orleans. We get the duration. We get the driving distance. And we also see from and to. Now we can see it's working out well. We got our autocomplete for different cities, any city in the world, depending on where you are. And yeah, if you want to do this project from start to beginning, I'll leave the card again so you can check the full video out. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, please, if you're new. I know what, I'm gonna wrap things up and I'll keep things moving. And I'll see you all in the next YouTube video.